Let's be honest, you don't usually buy a whole turkey, 12, 16, 20 pounds for your regular Tuesday night supper. So sometimes you can get a little overwhelmed when it comes to buying, storing, thawing, and cooking a turkey. Here are some great tips to kind of walk you through. First, you need to know what size turkey to buy. And what I like to budget is at least a pound per person when purchasing a whole turkey. That factors in the bones that nobody can eat, and it also factors in a little bit of leftovers. The bigger the turkey, the more the leftovers, the happier you'll be. There's actually no quality difference between a grade A and a utility turkey. The difference is a grade A will not have any flaws or marks in the skin, where a utility turkey might have perhaps a nick in the skin or an imperfect wing. So it's up to you which way you want to go. Buying a frozen turkey is sometimes the easiest, so you can plan ahead, store it, but then you have to thaw it carefully. So there are two options for thawing your turkey. You can thaw it in the refrigerator, and you want to budget 5 hours in the fridge for every 1 pound of turkey weight. What I like to do if I'm thawing a turkey is actually clean out one drawer in my crisper. That way it has its own devoted space. The turkey can thaw, not coming in contact with anything else. Once it's done, I pull it out, I wash out the crisper drawer, and now I have new real estate in my fridge to put other things. To thaw the turkey a little faster, you can thaw it in the sink with cool water. And for that case, it takes about an hour for every pound of the turkey, and you want to change out that water about once every 2 hours. And then after you've thawed it, you want to keep it in the fridge and use it within a day of thawing. When I'm roasting my turkey, I like to roast it uncovered. That way I'm not steaming it, and I can coax that brown skin early on by lots of basting. I've preheated my oven to 325, and you want to budget at least 20 minutes per pound. The best tool you can buy when it comes to roasting a turkey is, because you definitely don't want to undercook it, but you also don't want to overcook it, is to use an instant read thermometer. That way you can track through different parts of the turkey how your temperatures are coming along. My last little roasting tip is to use that thermometer as your alarm clock. When you start seeing that the turkey is about 15 degrees away from being done, that's your cue to get the potatoes warmed up, pull the carrots from the oven, get those Brussels sprouts ready, because you know dinner will be ready in about 20 to 25 minutes. Well, it certainly smells incredible. And while I'm here, I want to check on the temperature. And to know your turkey is done, using an instant read thermometer is really the easiest way. And you have to check it in 3 spots. Right in the center of the breast, it should be 170. And then at right where the thigh meets the breast, which is kind of a dense area, dark meat needs to hit 180 Fahrenheit. And then what's also important is you have to check the center of the stuffing. Just because it's at the heart of it and it takes in all those beautiful turkey juices, it needs to be 165 Fahrenheit. I'm there, so this is ready to come out. So please do subscribe to Oh Yum, and remember to hit on that notification bell, because I want to show you when I've got some great new recipes coming your way. Happy holidays. Have a delicious one.